Yo, what up, Adi? Good to see you. Johnny. All right. Where was I again here? Right. Did I do something for this already? Oh, right. I pushed this to here. That's right. I forgot about that. I forgot that I did this. What up, Norm? You're so granola. What? What are you doing in tree sitter today? So, I would really like to. I did want to check. I wanted to check and see if we could basically. Okay, so here I'll show you. Tree sitter OCaml. Oh, I should update today as well. Commands, edits today. Attempting to see if we can merge several tree sitter grammars for OCaml into one place so they can share some code. So basically, OCaml already has this thing here where we've got tree sitter OCaml grammars, and you can have OCaml and you can have interface, and there's already two grammars here basically. This is a sparkling water beverage. That's literally what it's called. I don't know why it's such an odd. It's called Bonsai Cherry Peach. It's really good. What up, New Monday? So, basically, I think we should have, in some of these grammars, we should also have stuff for grammar. What? Did I not? Oh, I'm not on my branch, am I? Right. Muraski Penguin, welcome. And Random Bits. What did I call? What did I made a branch, right? Tree sitter mirror. Okay. There we go. Nice. 3 months already. Time flies. It sure does. Augie, what's up? So basically, what I want to explore is because there's some OCaml, basically there's some OCaml grammar or OCaml file types basically that are related to OCaml, but they're not regular OCaml. So one of the examples of that is Manir. We've been using Manir when we were doing our Malua plugin here, where we were going here. This is this MLY file here. We write this, and this is all in Manir. And it mostly works to highlight this, although now, do I have this set up as, oh nice. I think I have this set up as, I do. This is using my grammar already, that's great. Oh no, this is using the different grammar. I'm gonna switch it to use mine shortly. I was actually better than Lualine. I don't think it is. I just wrote it for me. What's up, Flavester? Thank you for the sub. And Lime as well. Thank you for the sub. Appreciate the subs, everybody. Okay, so basically, I want to try. I probably have this set up somewhere here already. I have something. Uninstall Manir. Okay. If I open up the MLY, right, now it's scuffed. Great. That's what I want. It is very simple. It's just different. I just wouldn't say that it's better. You know what I'm saying? What up, Calder? We are exploring writing some grammars to try and see if we can make the OCaml experience better in Neovim. What's up, Forweiro? Missed all of you as well. We're back and we are in business. We are in business. What's up, Danny? So I'm gonna try, so I want to try something here. So we need to go to highlights. Oh, that's interesting. Is there really only just highlights for, I didn't realize that it would do that. That part's a little bit goofy. Very cool. Yeah. Well, that's a different story. Did you send a Discord message? I forgot how to stream. I forgot how to stream. Oh no, too many new messages in general again. At everyone. We back. Tree sitter. Exploration. Whoops. Exploration for OCaml related languages. Good call. Good call. What's going on today? By the way, Morosky, did you just send your first message like hello a second ago? Well, thank you for the sub. I appreciate that. You never forget how to fall off. Indeed. What up, BB? All right, so what I want to try here is I would like to try. I want to see first if we can actually get this to build. So what does this look like in the make file here? When they want to build each of these, type dir, include dir, parser repo. So much goofy stuff, dude. Make install, make clean, make test. How do I just want to do basically, okay, let's try and do this. Let's try and do this. So I've already built, what happens if I just do like tree sitter build here? Okay, nice. CD, and now we go into grammars, Manir. Oh, you know what? Neovim, tree sitter, OCaml. Lua. Is there not? Oh, we want to do parser. Or what is that again? Parsers? OCaml. So what does it do for this? Because how does it get OCaml interface? Location. Aha, great. Using custom scanner. Even better, I'm using OCaml scanner for this. What up, Vincer? The only reason I use make files is because they already installed. Yeah, agreed. Scotty, it was great. Had a lot of fun. Got a lot of stuff done with the fam, which was great. Rode some roller coasters last Friday, which was good. Yeah, so it was good. Okay, so we basically need to do the same strategy that we have here. Well, there is an OCaml Lex one. Adam OCaml. Huh, interesting. What does this grammar JS look like? Because isn't there parts where we basically just have OCaml like inside of here? Yeah. Externals. Oof. Externals all of OCaml. How does this work? Let's scream more than the kids on the... I didn't actually go with my kids. I went with a bunch of people from my church, actually. But yes, I like screaming on the coaster. It makes it more fun. You and your LSP to learn how they work. Very nice. Very cool, Ed. Nice. Oh, we don't have this going. My bad. I forgot. I didn't turn this on at all. Here we go. Nice. So what does it look like here? Coaster needs a screen. Yeah, it's like you gotta have fun, you know? Okay, so a bunch of this is straight up copied, I'm pretty sure. Thanks, Bunny. Arms there is the only way. Exactly. Don't you want anything? Pet food. Pet food, you're in the wrong chat. What's up, Mahit? Yonatan? Alright, so yeah, how does it do scan OCaml? Interesting. Okay, so it would be kind of fun to explore doing this one as well. So we'll think about doing this. So here's basically where we're at, chat. All right, here's where we're at. Let's go ahead and go to Manir. How do they find the queries for each of these then? I guess it must have queries. Manir queries. Interesting. Okay, so it's got the queries inside of here. So let's just attempt to edit this first here, all right? Let's look for tree sitter. What are these things called at the top? Directives? Tree sitter directives. Include. Inherits. Right. Right, so we should be able to say inherits OCaml, like this. So this is to inherit the queries from Lang, though cursively send the queries from Lang. What up, Beaver? What season is it there? It's becoming summertime. Inheritance mentioned! Alright, so we could try something like this. By the way, 100 years ago. Okay. It's kind of random. Okay, so if we try this, and then we go to...
Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. I was 8 when I met Mary Kate. That was actually the same day that I met Ashley.
So let's try this. I want to try and do something like... What did I do inside of my tree sitter thing as well? I said parsers. We can try and just do the same thing here. Parsers.manir. Tier is 0.
Scotty doesn't know that Fiona and me do it in my van.
Scotty. What's up, Scotty? It's good to see you. I like that I can hear people's location.
I do use Vim over Emacs.
Oh, God.
Grammars. Manir. Wait to get my theme song played. Did it now? Take that. Well, my doggy's a girl, but close enough, yeah. Oh, dude, my son had such a blast in Chicago. It was great. What's up, Nichidori? So we went in Willis Tower. I don't know if you guys know Willis Tower. Willis Tower Ledge. We went in this, and he was so not afraid. It was dope. He just walked out. He didn't care at all.
I've got so much to give.
I was like, it's
Easy
hilarious.
now, fuzzy little man Peach. You ever drunk Baileys from a shoe?
It was hilarious. I was like, it was 50-50. I was feeling pretty confident, I guess, that he was going to go out there. Yeah, that makes sense, Johnny. But we went to Millennium Park and played, and he had a blast on the park. Or on the train, I mean. It was great. What up, ZD? Tree sitter grammar. Tree sitter grammars are how tree sitter knows what to do with languages. No such file or directory. Oh, whoops. Tree sitter OCaml. Right.
How would you say your mental focus is?
Basically, all the rewards are disabled. I didn't connect it right now. What up, Nightshade? Nightshade, we need to get... Did you see the new clip of him smiling?
If Dylan Mulroy loves it, I probably won't love it, but I love Dylan.
Nightshade, you didn't see? I cannot believe you didn't see it. To get to the status bar, Robababato? I don't know. Joe Biden evil grin. Where's the clip? Here you go.
I need your help.
It doesn't matter what he says before this.
The hostages to come home day after. Thank you very much.
Mr. President, can you tell us, sir, Donald Trump refers to himself as a political prisoner and blames you directly. What's your response to that, sir?
Someone get me an animated emote of this immediately.
Oh, but I'll call it OCaml.
Get me an animated emote of this immediately.
Do you think the conviction will have an impact on the campaign? We'd love to hear your thoughts, sir.
Guys, that is not a joke. I think he thinks he said something, okay? It's not like, I'm not going to reply. I understand what's happening. That's not what's happening. Okay? Not on stream. Got it. Ha 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 ha. But how's your focus? Oh, it's focus. He just doesn't know what's going on. Right. That's... Woo! Okay, nice. So now if we do inspect tree, we should just get nice. Oh, we are so back. So nothing that spoke no volume. And your live stream is interesting. Oh, well, thank you. Emacs is very cool. Already there. Oh man, dude, that clip, it kills me, dude. It kills me. Just the smile. He was so focused on smiling. He checked his notes. Smile like a normal human. And then that was it, you know? No serious political discussions in chat, guys. Dark Brandon. I choose to believe it was a cheeky reply to the question asks. You have a very good imagination. Syntactically complex language, relatively. I think it's syntactically complex in some ways, but it's quite easy to parse. Pretend to be a human. Pretend to be human. Oh, what's up, Jordan? I don't remember if I said hi earlier. True, like, it could make a good meme edit, but that's different. What up, Quick? I'm doing great. How about you? Okay, so now with this is actually super cool because we could use, there's basically nothing inside of here. I wonder if I don't even have to do any of this. How much do I even need to do this? I feel like a bunch of these should already be in OCaml highlights. Like, let obviously needs to be a keyword. Oh, keyword.function. Oh, that's a little weird. Keyword. Well, I guess technically it is kind of a function, but I would not write it like a function there. Like, and then I would take this out. I didn't hear that, Beaver. Bluetooth connected successfully. Smile like a normal human. I don't even want to look at it. I don't even want to look at it. These probably are fine. A bunch of these has to already be getting done, right? This is fine. That already exists. Oh, nice. I think we're line. We don't have line comment, do we? Yeah, that one is the one that we came up with for this. We don't need to do this either. Those are both going to get highlighted that way. Grammar JS for Manir. Yeah, we don't need to do those anymore. Nice, that would be very cool. Mexico purchase. Ruben, just don't. Easy peasy. Okay, so if I do this, we can close out of this and let's open it up again and see if this looks right. And this still looks good. This still looks very good. So, okay, so here's basically what I want to do, which is that linear. But how can I include... I want to have queries for this as well. I guess maybe we just don't need to. It's fine. Oh, Camel, my Camel. What's up, Dylan? Yeah, and the loser even accepted the defeat. Nice. Okay, so I think with this would probably be good enough to be done. So what I would be interested in doing here is let's go take a quick peek. Do we have any tests in this yet? Manir, did we add any? We did add some. Oh, Dylan, are you writing some Rust? Dylan, did you like my video from Sam? Where we were riding roller coasters?
The Bluetooth device
Manir.
is ready to pair.
Manir. Dylan, 2004. Nice. Nice. I can't type. Jejua. OCaml's made learning Rust a lot easier. Yeah, I felt the reverse way. Rust made OCaml easier to learn. But yes, I agree. They both help each other. Officially getting paid to make HTMX app now. Nice. You were still in diapers. I was 10 in 2004, okay? I'll have you know. I was out of diapers for at least 4 years. Old man alert, true. 30, chat. Why is it Lisp? Why is what Lisp? That's the S expressions are how Tree Sitter represents their stuff. All right, so I want to compare from my branch. Compare across forks. My fork. Tree Sitter Manir. Let's see. Oh, we probably should just go through and check and make sure all these names are good. That would probably be smart as well. Manir. Grammar.js. We should also credit the original one, even though we've changed it. Original grammar grammar based on old. Doesn't OCaml be able to also use it? Yes, but we're not writing OCaml right now. We're writing tools to make writing OCaml easier for other people's. Right now, what I want to do is I want to make it super easy for the different like OCaml grammars to all share the same like implementation details and stuff, so that people can have high quality OCaml like experiences. Why don't you grow full beard? I can't. This part just doesn't grow good. It just doesn't grow good enough. Does it mean something in Treeserline? No, that's the grammar that we're doing for OCaml. Skill, it's literally skill issue. That's the only thing that's stopping me. Otherwise, I probably would just go full. But like it doesn't really come in very good here. I don't know what to do about it. Oh. Can you grow a stash? It's not that good. Like it's just not very good. You know? Oh, cool, Kush, yeah. Go to Turkey and get transplant. Yeah. Root runner? True. Sticking to the goatee. That's all I got. That's all I got, chat. Still don't know what... Oh, high precedence and low precedence. Got it. Well, let's do this. Okay. So I want to do, I'm just going to make this PR and then see what, I was wondering if you would be interested in having more of the OCaml grammars, all related grammars, all live in the same repo so that they can share the implementation of OCaml highlighting. This removed some of the more complicated parts of the grammar found here because it can share the definitions for OCaml. Oops, I probably should do OCaml itself. I should probably do OCaml this way. I'm happy to explain more about what I was thinking here, but I would also be interested in adding OCamlX and cram based grammars here, if that would be helpful. Thanks. Okay. Okay, cool. Well, yeah, we can do that then. That seems good. Shave the face, leave the neck, make it work. Let's see, we'll see. We enjoy you programming Luna Elixir. OCaml's great as well. Oh, thank you. Cataline, Chickable, Attackable. Pretty good. Okay, interesting. Interesting. I just had Taco Bell yesterday. Not gonna lie. I love The bell. Just a casual plus 1,000,000 lines. $10x developer, exactly. I prefer $1,000,000x developer. Are those tabs at the bottom TMX? No, they're Western. Okay. So I also didn't know that there was already an OCaml Lex grammar, which makes me want to try that out. Because it didn't seem like it was that good. If we go back to our MLL, like, why is this should not be labeled this way? Oh, maybe that's why. We need to go to our Camel plugin here. Vim tree sitter language register. OCaml. Oh, OCaml Lex. OCaml Lexer. Oh, nice. So this one actually works well too. I just didn't know that that's what the problem was. Yeah, use Flame Shop. Capture us, I see. This happens every time you add a new grammar. It's just the fact of the matter of tree sitter. Like, you commit the generated code. It is what it is. You know. Oh, this actually looks way better. Okay, that's nice. Let's take a quick peek-see at what up, Mahika? We're so back. Oh, nice. Nice in Virginia. Very cool. All right, so we were looking at this, and most of it is not too crazy. It's just that I do wonder if some of these we could write more simply. Yeah, like all these strings, we don't have to do this. Like a bunch of these would already be handled as well in OCaml land. Jealous of you, Chin. What? What? I don't understand. What? Oh, did you ban him again, Nightshade? Oh, right. Are we going to test it right now? Are we going to test it? Roles manager. He has editor right now. He has editor right now. Yes. Refill. Did you finish the Lua interpreter? Well, it's not finished really. We'll probably do some more of it still. Nice. Okay, I'll refresh and we'll see. Yeah, it removes it. Yeah, it does. This is why Dan keeps on having editor access revoked. He keeps getting banned by Nightshade. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's too funny. Oh my goodness. Parser in JS. It's not really JS. If you knew things, then you would know it's not actually JavaScript. I know nothing exactly. Okay, well maybe can you mod him so I can't Dan. The Dan Vale is banned in this channel. You must unban user. He has to be unbanned first. Or if I have to wait for his timeout to be done. Oops. Can't you? Oh, you can't. You probably can't mod people. Oh my goodness. The Dan Vale. All right, he's got mod privileges now. Nice. Okay. So we can try the same. I guess maybe I should wait to hear if anybody actually wants this or not. Maybe we should add that. Because... yeah. Okay, so then there's a few other things too. I wanted to go check... build Neovim. OCaml. We've got to have something here for FT detect for that, right? Like, how do we determine that a language is... we have to have FT detect somewhere, right? Syntax. What files here? Do we not? Oh, we do. We have indent. Okay. Syntax. Runtime doc. FT plugin. Who is file type? File type Lua. Whoops. File type Lua.
Well, good luck on your date. I will. That doesn't even make any sense.
Okay. So these are like wrong, basically. This is why this is kind of messed up. Right. And what does the OCaml Vim plugin do? Oh, I was looking at this too. What does this have in here? It doesn't really have anything besides this. There should be an OCaml Vim GitHub plugin as well. See the new LSP comp stuff in, you're saying like the completion one? Like in the completion things? Couldn't get the playground query builder to pull up. Was that taken out? Are you using inspect tree? What is language injection with tree sitter? Can we see a demo? Sure, anytime there's a language that has another language inside of it, that's tree sitter injection. So like the way that JavaScript works, where you can write like JSX inside of it and stuff, that's how it works. This is doing this too. Inside of here is OCaml code, so it injects parsers inside here. You should be able to just press O inside of their calder. Yeah, some of the basic features are now in Neovim by default. FT detect. So see, this is dumb. Like an MLL is not a OCaml. Like it should not be called that. Same Vim file type, structural highlighting. 2 parsers, 1 for notation, 1 for interfaces. OCaml file type into several file types. Merlin. Now OCaml and Near was taken out as well. These file types are introduced here. I'm not a huge fan of, I mean, I guess it's okay. Does CSS JSS? Yep, it usually does injection as well. Crazy how it came out just a few months ago. True. Pet Food, welcome to the other chat. Okay, so add multiple types for OCaml LSP. So what does OCaml LSP say right now? Language ID of OCaml.Manir. See, this is the better one, I feel. Yeah. Okay, so So that's basically my thoughts. I think maybe we can get more people to agree on doing this. Maybe I can just do a pull request to Neovim to change this. I'm not sure. I guess maybe it's better you do this if you want to have OCaml. So you go to OCaml and Vim here, and you add these new register various OCaml related syntax extensions. Yeah, and then we can do OCamlX, OCaml.lexer. Is that what we called them here? What did they get called here? OCaml.OCamlLex. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. I'll buy that. Okay, nice. MLI files are ADA. Well, MLI files are also interface files for OCaml. So, sure using you really have it. Oh, nice, Martin. Very cool. Manaj, how's it going?
We're mostly going to beat each other senseless, make enemies with Disney, tell a few dick jokes, make a few jokes at my expense.
Pop back into the music is no business going this hard. So true, Mark. So true. What an intro sound. OCaml.interface, OCaml.Manir, OCaml, reason. LSP config, OCaml, LSP. What does get language ID even do in OCaml LSP? Or in LSP
So I read
config?
through the entire Neovim user manual in one 10-hour stream.
Get language ID. Language ID is a string, defaults to the file type. Gotcha. Where's pick? We do need the pick intro. So true. What's up, Dingus?
Let's get ready to rumble.
I'm doing great, by Cube. How about you? Okay. I would like for I'm assuming if this returns nil, then it just returns the file type itself, which is fine. So then my question would be, like, if I go inside of here, LSP info. It doesn't seem that we've connected to here. If I go to LSP, go to OCaml LSP, file types, OCaml dot OCaml Lex. Oops. No document found with this URI. Interesting. So OCaml LSP doesn't know how to handle MLL files? You'll be writing some Haskell? Probably not anytime soon. Yeah, sometimes you can avoid mutexes by using channels and stuff, Maniac. It depends what you're shooting for. Interesting. That's kind of a bummer. You'd think that would work a little bit better. If we go to our MLY file, I don't suppose this works either, does it? Yeah, no document found with URI. Interesting. I'm surprised it doesn't say anything about like what about OCaml X? What's up, Jabwalk? It's going great. How about you? Just following boot.dev so I don't see you use where and how. Ah, yeah, that seems like sense. Is OCaml X a file type? It is. Surely Lexing is so fast you just do it in memory without needing cache. Yes. Yeah, it's a file type. It's a way to write lexers in OCaml. Very fast and very cool. What up, 611? Moon, good to see you as well. Had any quiche today? I've not had any quiche today. I ate eggs, sausage, and potatoes for breakfast, though. Stream's going well. Yeah, we're just chilling. Yeah. Does that make more sense? I'm Kapoor. I see that. Good Monday. It is a good Monday. It's a very good Monday. I'm surprised, like, it just doesn't work straight up for Manir files, but it's a little bit surprising in some ways because you're almost like, you could definitely find the definition, but I guess it makes sense that it doesn't. Misspelled on purpose. Quiche as... Interesting. Potatoes for breakfast? Sounds weird. Well, it's like breakfast potatoes. I don't know what you mean. They're delicious. I could eat potatoes for every meal. Well, I didn't have hash browns. I had like, they were cooked like breakfast potatoes. Have you ever had dosa? Have you ever had bofa? Oh, nice, Chris. Very cool. I have not. Like home fries? Yeah, they were just kind of like small potatoes quartered into small pieces, grilled up, and you know, like with salt and pepper on them and stuff. It was good. Just bread and butter with coffee, like in the coffee. That's interesting. Don't think I've ever had them for breakfast. You guys are missing out if you're not exploring the realm of what potatoes can bring to your breakfast. What? Explain. I don't know how I got roasted. I asked, have you ever had bofa? You said, you. No. Bofa these. Have you ever... I figured I didn't even have to say it because I thought it was so obvious. You know what I'm saying? So then I didn't even do the rest of the joke because I thought we had already gotten past this. Oh. As an Irishman, can't imagine breakfast without potato. Smart. Yeah. Sorry, Maniac. I thought you were like already tracking with me. It's too late. Oh, that understandable. Okay, well, that's fine. That part's not as exciting. The thing that I guess maybe we're just done for now. If someone already wrote an OCaml Lex one, then we don't have to go as fast to it. Oh, I guess the thing we should write, though, is if we go to our OCaml Neovim, and we go to README, new file types. .ml still goes to OCaml. .mli OCaml.interface. .mll OCaml.OCamlLex. .mly OCaml.Manir. .t OCaml.cram. Alright, so that's fine for now. Associate OCaml Lex with proper tree sitter grammar. Does anyone make an issue? I don't know why. I don't think you need Merlin anymore for anything. I don't think you would need Merlin anymore if there are some features not covered by LSP and this plugin. I'd love to hear about them. Okay. Just my defense. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. It makes sense, Maniac. I literally thought you like knew what I was going for already. So then I just didn't even finish, you know? Are you planning on already queued to make video about changes? Yeah, I'm planning on releasing. I'm recording and releasing some this week. I just had a crazy week last week, and so I just didn't get around to it. Okay, well that's actually farther than I thought I was gonna be on that. So maybe we'll take a pause on this. Let me think. Oh, okay. I know what I want to do. Fidget, it's great, yeah. I wanted to try and see if we could do get MLX. Where did I made a temp MLX test? There we go. Dune run test. Dune exec MLX SW. Nice. Okay, so, oh right, of course I forgot. We can write something for this. Duh. So I was checking out something recently that I am considering like trying out to see if we can make this work. There's this project called MLX, which is pretty exciting, and it lets you just, you know, pretend that you're writing, you know, X style expressions inside of OCaml. So you just write this and it just does the same thing as like JSX does, right? And you just put them inside your regular OCaml code here. So it's just like regular OCaml code. And then when you run it, you know, this one, it just prints rendering these. So they just render like that title and content, right? So I was thinking about maybe trying to write a grammar for this as well. So maybe we should do that. Presentations. I've used look at me for the last few times. They're not presentations in Neovim. They're just from the terminal. I think last time though I did, I don't remember, some other slides plugin or some other slides application. So I'm thinking about trying to write something for this. So maybe let's try that for a little while. That does seem pretty fun. So let's try this. Let's go. Yo, Little Bonaparte. Thank you. And Jobwalk earlier as well. Thanks for the sub. I don't remember if I answered your question, but I don't think I said thanks for the sub. So I appreciate it. OCaml, OCaml, you beautiful animal. New coffee name, terminally spilled. Which app did you use for one based? That's what I don't remember. Some slides one. Term slides, screen. Present term. That one. First time over. Oh, thank you. I did present term, I think, on the last one. Okay, so let's do MLX. CD MLX. And let's make a new grammar.js, of course. Grammar.js for, let's try the Manir one. We're going to do this. Name is MLX. Rules. And then we need to go tree sitter generate, no bindings. What's going on here? We're attempting to write a tree sitter grammar for MLX. Let's go ahead and do checkout -b tree sitter MLX. G whip that. Okay. And then what did we do for Manir scanner? Yeah, scanner, see? We just yoinked this, so we can go now to here and go to source, scanner, C, and then S. Manir would be MLX, G. Okay. Tree sitter generate and tree sitter test. Which, that part's a bit of a shame. It does feel kind of bad, I'm not gonna lie, when you have to embed the whole thing inside, but that's okay. So if we go to the OCaml grammar, we look for expression. I think all we need to do is we need to change what expressions look like. TS stop, or LSP stop. You can just be quiet, LSP. So, or we add this to what an expression would be. Probably the best option would be Vim deck. I don't think I have. I don't super feel the need to have my presentations inside Neovim. Yeah, so what does this use? Record definition? Because I think it's basically the same. It just adds JSX expressions, right? Yeah, I'm not saying you can't. I'm just saying I don't really use that often. Pick? Pick, are you going to say hello? And then I'll show you go to. Don't worry, Pick. It's not real JavaScript. It gets compiled to C. He gets declined.
Big's heart sinks, motions start to fray. His code's a masterpiece, no room to sway. Rejected again, he can't understand why. Big won't give up, he'll reach for the sky. Rejected God, it's just the start.
Yeah, okay, so anyways. Why can't all JavaScript compile to C? Because you can't do everything you can do in JavaScript in the grammar files. All right, so you see this pick? This is like, if you think about in like a C file, we had some function like, you know, in loop. This would basically be like having loop, you know, do something, right? Blah, 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 and then go to loop, right? And then you have done, and then you have something like, you know, printf done. Like this, right? If something, go to done. Right? Following pick. So see how this, like, it literally just looks the same? Right? It's like you write the loop, and then you're writing this code, and then you write done, and it does this. I mean, if we wanted to, we could go like this, and like this, kind of. You know what I mean? So that it looks more like... It could look even more like this. Right, so the like goofiness of this, right, is that when you go to loop, it's like it goes to this spot here. If I remove this, just like if I removed this, what's gonna happen? What's up, Otsy? Well, you're also about 6 minutes. Let's go. Would have telescope in a split buffer versus floating. I don't think. I mean, you could do it. I don't know that there is one. You could do something like telescope, like find files. Oh, is it called like theme Ivy or something like that? Yeah, you could do something like this where it like pops up from the bottom. Right? So like the magic is pick this is a match expression. You know what I'm saying? Like this is just like a match. So it gets to the bottom here and then it keeps going down here. You know what I'm saying? Like, how does it do that? That's the code that I was writing, the cursed code. That's why you have to pass this in. This tells you the states that are possible to do. So it's like it reads it top to it looks like it reads it top to bottom, like you're writing like imperative code, right? And this one even has uber imperative code in that you can call return. Right? And that exits the function. It doesn't do this part anymore. Right, you see what I'm saying? This early return literally makes it so that we're done early. This one is Dune exec loop comp soy. Oh, but I probably never passed in. Oh, this is return. Dune exec return comp soy. I'm gonna go take a shower. Good call, Lithium. You see this? Early return found 8. We can even do something like this, right? Where it says start. Or we'll change it to init so that they line up nice. Starting. Searching until stop. Right, so you can sort of prove it to yourself. Starting, searching until 10, loop, 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 loop this, right? If I change this to be like 5 and this to be 5. So it literally looks like go to and return in... It's go to and return in OCaml. You know what I mean? Like, this is not how this is supposed to work. This looks like C code. This part inside of here. You know what I mean? And I didn't have to write anything to go from init to loop. Like, it just happens. It just goes to the next spot. Oh, man. Oh, man. That one's it's a little bit cursed. It's a little bit cursed. Yeah, gifted. Agreed. It gets declined. Bam, bam, bam. Thanks, Alpy. So anyways, that's what we built. That's what we built last week. So this was pretty funny. I'll make a video sort of summarizing some of the stuff later because it was pretty fun. And we have, I think there's some funny like ideas inside of it. But yeah, it was a good one. It was a good one. Okay, so now though, chat, we're trying to figure out how we can do this. I think the only difference is that in some expression, non-module expressions. Oh, dang, fingers. Thank you. Thanks for the $10. Nice. Appreciate that. Nice. Thank you. That's really kind of you. You're going to bring back exactly that thing. Lithium, lithium, lithium. Lithium, lithium, lithium. OCaml yak value. What is this? Okay, that's weird. So I think, chat, we might be able to just do something like this. Where if we take simple expression like this, and we go back to our MLX grammar, which is here. And we take this. I think if we go to, I think we go test and corpus, and then we go, I don't know. Is there a corpus for OCaml test? Just regular expressions? Not regular expressions, but regular expressions of the regular variety, not regular regexes. OCaml dot txt expers. Okay. So if we go tree setter generate tree setter test, hopefully this still works. I think it will. Because if we have this, what we can do... that's taking longer than I thought it would, but that's fine. Will it still take a long time on this round? We'll have to see. 10 seconds. Okay, that's fine. It's a little bit annoying, but it's whatever.
Here you go, friend.
It's got to build the whole... That's interesting. I didn't realize it was going to take that long, but it's okay. So now what happens if I'm wondering if we just go like this. We'll just take all of this here and we'll just say, what if we only had like this many things? I think these should fail now. That's what I'm hoping to see at least. I'm hoping we see some failures. I'm imagining if I comment out most of the different kinds of expressions, it will fail. Great. That's awesome. That's exactly what I wanted to see. So now what I want to do is I want to say, okay, well, in that case, we also want to do MLX expression, something like this, right? So then we need to make a rule for MLX expressions, which seems like, to me, that seems like MLX expers, txt. We should be able to just go and like check what was going on in the JSX one and maybe copy it. I don't know, because it's very similar. I don't really know what the proper sort of like specification is that these all work. So maybe we should just like this one is good. Like this should, we should be able to just take this and have this work. Connected. Hey, thank you. Thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Sitter test. Oh, you're right. We need to generate this again. Okay. Nice. What's up, Cassadev? Good to see you. MLX expression. All right. Let's just say for right now, it just says div like this. We'll say choice of div and div, which obviously is not right. That's okay. That's okie dokie. Missing this in the argument. What? Oh, whoops. There we go. That's why. Yep. Was not paying enough attention. Good to see you too. Long time. Yeah, it's been a bit. Okay, nice. So now we have this. This didn't do... Oh, that's because that wasn't far enough down, I think. So tree sitter test. Okay, so we have... It's like, hey, I see some MLX expressions. Those like that says div and div. And then it's got some other stuff. And then it's got div and div here. So that's fine because all we did was choose divs. Okay, well, that's obviously cheating because that's not what you want to do. But we should be able to do some other stuff similar to that. So what does... I think we just need to probably have a little peek. We'll yoink this and put this down here. Put that down there. Let's go ahead and check. I don't know if I already have this. I might have it. CD get tree sitter. Whoops. Tree sitter JavaScript. No. Okay. Git clone. GitHub com tree sitter JavaScript depth 1. CD tree sitter JavaScript. Does JavaScript already have JSX inside of it, or is that inside of Grammar.js? Module exports JavaScript. Is this just included in here now? Like, what do they call those? They call them fragments or something? Oops. I tried to use VS Code because the course I was using it. I lasted 2 hours. That's 2 hours too long, Scotty. String fragment. Is this right? What is string No, that's not what we want. We want, what are the other fragment options? Or I guess we're looking for like this. This must not be empty template has no open tag and close tag. Aha. JavaScript React is a different one. Okay, so is it in a different... Yeah, maybe we need to look for JavaScript React tree sitter. I don't remember how that actually all plays out. Or is it under... Is it under tree sitter JSX? Or... Tree sitter JavaScript JSX. Is it under TypeScript? TSX is the grammar. Interesting. Okay. I've been running into fragment 2 with HTML. What do you mean, Surf? JavaScript. It's very delicious. Okay, so TSX here. Where common define grammar TSX. Okay. So they just have one that it just does everything. Dude, this language. So many conflicts. Okay. So what do you call this, right? An expression can have
Ryan?
Ryan's
always trying to throw shade at me.
JSX open starting element. No, we're looking at MLX though right now, Ryan. I'm trying to write a tree sitter grammar for it. I actually don't know. It's like, I actually don't know what I should be doing for these. Like, I actually don't know truly what MLX can do. I guess we can cheat and we can go here. Parser, MLY. Oh, interesting. So they just yoinked the whole parser for here. JSX prop. Okay, nice. Well, they just have something called JSX prop inside here. JSX element. Nice. Maybe a jovial LSP. Next, what is jovial? What is MLX? MLX is like JSX. Like what if you could just write this inside of a regular OCaml file, basically. Love your videos on OCaml. This is also cool though. Thanks, Elsie. Bit off topic. MLSP not have an option to open a new tab without a whole extra function. I don't know. Like JSX, but not bad. Yeah. Yeah, except you don't have to use VS. Chat. You goofs. Tag is JSX long indent props. List jax prop / greater. My children. Yeah. Okay, sure, but if we have JSX element, it must be getting referenced somewhere. Simple Axper. Where does it have like a JSX long ident? I guess JSX long ident must have. Dude, what is up with this highlighting? Hello? I'm confused. Where is the oh. That's in the Lexer chat. That's in the Lexer. Elsie, hey, thank you. Thank you for the tier 1 though. Really appreciate it. I don't think you answered what is jovial. I still don't know what that is. JSX ident. Okay. Been learning Go recently. Curious what you think of the language. It's a pretty practical language, I would say. Like a happy else. I know what the word means. Thanks, Nightshade. Thank you. Appreciate that. Very helpful of you. Very helpful. Basically dead dialect of Algol 58. Then it's very unlikely we're going to make an LSP for that. Sorry to tell you. Sorry to tell you. I know. Okay, so it's basically like you see this, and then you see a name, and then you see another one, right? So let's see if we can just do something very simple. What did this use for JSX starting element? Here. JSX opening element is only referenced by expression when the dialect is TSX. Okay, sure, let's try this. I mean, I guess it feels like we should be able to just directly copy this. Because then what do you have with JSX opening element? Shouldn't you have some stuff inside of here? How can an expression like what is it supposed to do with this then? JSX opening element. It doesn't do anything with this. What? I don't understand. If it ain't Rust, it ain't right. Yeah, that makes sense. 4:30, you definitely should go to bed. Yeah, I'm with you on that one for sure. So type arguments, type parameters, JSX. Wait, what? I guess a smart strategy would be tree sitter. You just open up scratch temp fragment.tsx, I guess, or something like this. Do people even call it TSX anymore? Can't you just put it in anywhere? JSX element. Can you put these anywhere? Got us around it? Okay. Expression. Choices. If it's TypeScript... Parentheses expression JSX element. JSX expression. From whence are these coming, chat? Wait, so it is in JavaScript. It is in JavaScript. Yeah, it is. Wait, why are people telling me it's not in this one? It is in this one. Yeah, I did used to work there, yeah. So, you guys lied to me. I knew I should have trusted myself. Because I think we pretty much just want to copy this whole thing. We would never lie. That would be a big kappa. That would be a big kappa. I'm interested in boy people. Smart. I guess it's time for me to turn off the stream then. Aren't grammars built in some meta language then compiled to JS? Or in the... No, they're written in JavaScript and they're compiled to C. What's your caps lock map to? I don't have caps lock on my keyboard. Huh? What do you mean, huh? Huh, what? I've been keeping up streams. Any plans to do Elixir streams? Oh yeah. At nighttime we've been doing Elixir streams. No, just surprised JS to see. Yeah, that's kind of the don't know why, but that makes me sad. What makes people sad? Why is it sad? It's awesome. This is just a way to express something in an easy to write way that's accessible for people, and it compiles into a tree sitter grammar that's portable C. It's awesome. There you go, Gramble. TS to Lua to C. That makes sense. I mean, no caps lock key. Oh, well, but my keyboard just looks very different. You can see it there. Okay, so basically, I think I'm just gonna try. What is this glimmer crap though? What is glimmer? I don't know what that is. Let's copy all of this. Oops, Bunny got ignored. Was Bash here? Bash Bunny? Oh, what up, Bash? Oh, literally, it's the same color as Nightbot. I thought it was Nightbot replying to somebody. What up, Bash? Poor me. Shaking and shopping. Shaking and shopping. I got ignored too? What? I feel like I responded to you, Ryan. James looks when I'm sleeping on purpose. Well, what was I supposed to say to that? True? Lol W? Like, what am I supposed to... Hey, thank you. Admit your crimes. Fair enough. Fair enough. Yeah, true, Bash. True, true, true. You see, Fennec? Strategy planning and winning. True, 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 true. All right, so we should have somewhere in here MLX expression, right? Well, wait, so where is JSX expression? Did we not put that one in? Oh, we did. Okay. I imagine this won't compile, is my guess. Expression. Oh, what are they called? Oh, just underscore impression? Expression? Okay. Spread elements. Okay, so we don't need this one for right now. We also probably don't have identifier. No nested identifier. This doesn't make sense. We won't be able to do this anyways. Nested identifier. More and more. Oh, nice, Lobby. Thank you. Can you stop recording on Linux audio desync properly and actually enables? Bash. You got to get to the 2 PC setup. The 2 PC setup. Identifier. Oh, value name. Identifier field path. True. Skill. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's actually such a big win. We'll do inline. And word and super types. I think these were the ones that I had to include in the Meneer one to get this to work as well. Huh. Specify a high resonance value name. Field path. How are those getting messed up by this? Ooh, unless there's... identifier, maybe like that instead. Result, really? You stream off Windows on Stream PC? I did before, but my computer died, so I just used the Mac that I got from work a while ago because it was my next best computer at home, and it works fine. I like my Windows one better, but this is fine. Yeah, if you already, I would just use whichever one you have already. Like, it literally doesn't matter. Just use whatever one you have.
Developers, 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 developers.
True. True. What up, real? Unresolved conflict for symbol sequence here. Value name, value name. Add a conflict for these rules. Value name and field path. I just don't know how we would be calling value name here. We'll try this, I guess. We'll just try this right now. Oh, nice. Okay. Not sure which one. Keep old Linux PC for that SL certificate. Okay, well, we got something. It got confused though, for sure, because these must not be high enough precedence then to win versus other expressions, which is surprising because I thought that this would be, maybe I'll just need to ask Andre what his thoughts are about how he would do this. I've hijacked the combo. I'm so angry, Bash. I'm just so mad right now. I'm so mad. People talking and learning things in chat. How dare they? Okay. Ban all of them. Precedence right. Andre. I don't know. Let's do something like this. Let's see if this. Those have sometimes just happen as separate conversation chat. It's one of the beauties of hanging out live. I'll DM. Okay, so it's getting these parsed as infix expressions. So that's the main problem. Oh, MLX expression is the wrong one. This should be MLX element. Right. That's what we want to say. That's the expression. Doi chat. I was trying to do only thing inside of the expression. Unnecessary conflicts. Aha. Nice. I was wondering if that would go away when we solved this. Okay, now we're getting closer. Oh, nice. MLX element. MLX opening element. MLX. Oh, chat. You see this? Chat, do you see it? Do you see it? I don't know that chat sees it. Nope. This is saying, hey, we've got some function here, right? We look at our we look at this. This is basically what we have right here. This is the thing, right? So look, we've got some parentheses, and then we've got some expression inside here. What do you want this to be? This is an expression. This thing has an opening element. Opening element. And then it's got another opening element. And then it's got some text. Right? And then it's got a closing element. Now that probably should be an expression inside of here, not text. So probably what should go inside there is more expressions. I don't see it. Well, that's because we're writing JavaScript right now. Only kind of, though. Any new line should not start right with a space. Wow. Now that's a regex right there, chat. That right there. That's a regex for the ages right there. Wow. The president has more expressions than this program. Oh no, chat. Oh no. You goofs, man. You goofs. So I was hoping that this wouldn't be MLX text because that's not really what it is. It's an expression inside of here. Sir, do you have a regex license for this? Don't worry. I only copy and pasted it. I only copy and pasted it. This basically is a parser combinator, Ryan. It's just that this part, like parser combinators usually start with a regex at some of their bases. Like you kind of have to at some point match against the text. Huh? 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 Admitting stealing and not having a license. I know. At this point, I'd probably just pack it up. Are the ones I write? Where's the Lexer, man? That's not how Tree Sitter works, chat. I kind of thought this was gonna work. MLX text. I think we just don't even support MLX text, maybe. Nimble. Some elixir thing again. Yeah, those are just regexes though. With more, those are just regexes with more words, Shirai. Aha! Yeah, pattern matches. Pattern matches are just regexes with more words too. Okay, nice. Look at this, chat. Big second round interview. Oh, nice. Oh, good luck. Okay, so this is what we wanted though. Look, application expression with some value and some string. So that's exactly what we're looking for here. Now the question is, we scuffed. Because this, does this have like an MLX? Okay, so let's. Let's try and do this and this. Who regexes the regex? I never thought about that. GG4, Copilot assisting troubleshooting. For some stuff, it's really good. And for some stuff, it sends you down the wrong path completely and ends up costing you a whole day. Be like on the ladder. Okay, which one is this? We scuffed this somehow. Corpus. I mean, it's okay in some sense if we have some weird things. Where's my precedence? Precedence. Should this be immediately afterwards? Should we allow people to write? I guess I can just check to see. Aha! So let's go back to the grammar. But can I use token immediate to do that? Token immediate. So I want this and then the name. Tree sitter. Wow, that's bright. Creating parsers. Token immediate. Usually white space and other extras is optional before each token. This function means that the token will only match if there is no white space. Huh, okay. That doesn't seem like it's gonna work because non-terminal. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. I don't know how to say that these two things need to be right next to each other. This is Priest. So that part, I'm not sure what to do. Because I think that's MLX Melement name. Oh man. Maybe we need to change this to be like token immediate for this. I'm a Melement name. Because I think it's giving the wrong precedence. I mean, we could try and say precedence left to be... Because basically these, I think they shouldn't match. If you do that. At least in the way that they're writing it so far as I can tell. You can have some at the end. But... oh, that won't work. Yeah. Okay. 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 So maybe it should be more like... Usually white space and other extras comments is optional before each token. This says the token will only match if there is no white space. Ah, okay. MLX element name, MLX identifier. MLX identifier is token immediate A to Z. It's not really right because I don't think uppercase ones will work, but that might solve the problem. Might solve the problem. Dang. Are we still getting an MLX in here somewhere? Wait, how can it be getting this one wrong? Unless the other one's getting it wrong too. The song name is Jam though. Okay, so that's pretty weird. That's pretty weird. Because now it doesn't have any MLX infix. Unless I messed it up somehow when I copy pasted it in. Could be possible, I guess. Nope, there's an error there. I don't think there should be an error. Touch the sky. Okay, so we definitely still messed something up, but we're getting closer here at least. We're getting closer here at least. So that's good. Who's talking 80%? Well, if I can figure out what's causing this other error, then we're like a lot of the way over. I would have to ask, we need to go back and go check, where is our, oops. Sorry. I thought the music we set for ourselves is via YouTube video. It does not have to be from a Monster Cat song. It just needs to be short enough to not make YouTube upset, basically. Thanks, Otzi. Appreciate it. Off label. Quoted stream. Mine's from YouTube. Indeed. Theme song, but yes, otherwise that's right, Maniac. What question do you ask? How close? I said I'm not actually sure because I don't know how many other features are supported in the like MLX thing itself. Book question. No, I did not see the book question. Oh, do you recommend any books I could read for 2 to 3 weeks? Like technical books or what? Can be technical or tech related. I don't know. I don't really have any strong recommendations. I mean, interpreter book's great. It's not really good for just like reading though. You know what I'm saying? Like you should do something if you're writing. I don't have a lot of books to just like read without writing anything. Oh shoot, it's 4 o'clock already. Chat, I gotta go already. Sorry, it was short stream today. I had some other stuff going on. We'll be back again tomorrow in the afternoon. We'll be back again in the afternoon tomorrow, chat. We can raid Swelker, nice. It can only be 5 seconds. That's max, yep. Unless you want to sub at a higher tier. Tier 3 subs get a longer one. What did we say? I think tier 3 subs get like 8 seconds or something. Let me check. You're right. I think we actually did do. I think you're right. We might have actually done 15 seconds. Yeah, 15 seconds. Yeah, true. I forgot. Where did I put? There we go. 15. Okay, bye. Just watch the next video.